everyone, welcome to CDC. This hearty dish that screams of Royal Nawabi flavors, topped with some fried cashews and fresh cilantro, goes best with hot rotis or naan as well as jeera rice. You can fulfill all your craving wish when you prepare this exotic Paneer Matar Makhana dish. So let's get started. For making the base of the gravy, cut tomatoes in half and chop it in large pieces. Then cut onion in half, remove its core and cut them into large dice. I am using red onions, but you can use yellow as well. Then heat up a pressure cooker and add any neutral flavor vegetable oil in it. Once oil is little hot, add 2 bay leaf, 1 small piece of cinnamon stick about 2 inches long, 2 small black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, 2 dried Kashmiri red chili and saute them for about 10 seconds. Then add about 15 to 20 cashews and saute them as well. Make sure oil is not too hot as cashews can burn very fast, which can lead a little bitter taste in gravy. Then add chopped tomatoes and onions. Saute them as well for about 20 to 30 seconds. Then add water, followed by salt, and give it a stir. I am using rock salt, but you can use regular table salt as well. Now close the lid and pressure cook it for 2 to 3 whistles. Once done, open the lid and let it cool down a bit. Then remove all the whole spices from it, except Kashmiri red chili. This step is very important as if you don't remove whole spices and grind it with onions and tomatoes, these spices can overpower the dish and will also affect the color and texture of the gravy. If you find this step little tedious, then you can tie all whole spices in a muslin cloth and then put it in with onion and tomatoes, so that you can remove it easily later. Then transfer it in a mixer grinder and blend it into smooth puree. Heat up a kadhai and add oil. You can use ghee to make it more rich. Once oil is hot, turn down the flame to low and add ginger garlic paste into it. Saute it for about 30 to 40 seconds or until the raw smell of ginger and garlic is gone. Then add coriander powder, coarsely ground fennel seed powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, sabji masala, black pepper powder and mix everything together. Roast all the spices for only about 4 to 5 seconds. That too, make sure either your flame is low or turned off completely. Then immediately add water and mix everything well. In few seconds, water comes to a boil. Keep mixing it until oil comes to the surface. Once done, add whisked yogurt and keep stirring it until yogurt is cooked. Otherwise, it can curdle. When oil is separated from the masala, add khoya. It is also commonly known as mawa. Now keep roasting the masala on medium-low flame until everything comes together, or until khoya imparts a nice aroma of roasting, which will take around 5 to 10 minutes. Once done, add dry ginger powder, also known as salt in Hindi, salt and little bit of water. Give it a stir and add base gravy. Combine everything well. Then cover it and cook the gravy on medium flame. Keep stirring it in between to ensure gravy is not sticking to the bottom. For preparing makhana, also known as lotus seeds, heat up a pan on medium-low heat. Add makhane into it. Dry roast it until it turns firm, crispy and change its color to brownish. Then add ghee into it and cook it for another minute or so. Though one can directly fry makhana into ghee, but I find this way better as directly putting it in ghee results into uneven cooking where few absorbs lot of ghee while other remains unevenly cooked. It is little time consuming, but it's worth it. Once done, take it out in a bowl. Now in the same pan add ghee. Keep the flame on medium to low only and add cashews into it. Fry cashews until it turns golden brown in color. Once done, take it out. Gravy is almost ready too. Now add medium diced paneer pieces into it, followed by frozen peas, fried makhana and cashews. Mix everything well. This gravy thicken up quite a lot as it is cashew based gravy which absorb lot of water. So adjust the consistency with boiling hot water when required. Regular or cold water will ruin and disbalance the flavor. But on the other hand, if the curry is really cold, as in just out from the cooler, then use regular water to maintain the flavor. Now, few final secret ingredients. Add roasted cumin powder, kasuri methi, garam masala, and butter on top. And that's it. Plate it and garnish it with chopped cilantro and few fried cashews. Do try out this exclusive preparation on some special event for your friends and family. And do share your thoughts in comment section. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you are new to this channel or haven't subscribed it yet, then please subscribe it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, happy eating. Bye bye. Take care.